If you are the student of class 8 and going to step in grade 9 in 2026-27, तो मैं आ गई हूँ आपके लिए CBSE का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और इंटरेस्टिंग अपडेट लेकर। पहली इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि आपका सिलेबस नया ड्राफ्ट हो गया है, and second important thing is CBSE is bringing new books for you. So we'll be focusing on all the major changes that are coming from CBSE in this video. तो लास्ट तक मेरे साथ बने रहना and let's get started from here. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं कि सिलेबस कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. So the first part of the syllabus is of 4 languages which includes English, Hindi, Urdu and Sanskrit. The second part of your syllabus includes 3 major subjects which are your math, science and social study, and along with that जो हम थर्ड पार्ट की बात करते हैं, इट इंक्लूड्स 4 करिकुलर एरियाज जिसमें हम इंडिविजुअल्स इन सोसाइटी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, वोकेशनल एजुकेशन कवर होगी, आर्ट्स एजुकेशन कवर होगी, एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज फिजिकल एंड वेलबींग ऑफ द पर्सन्स. Now we'll be focusing on the major changes which are taking place in maths, साइंस, सोशल साइंस एंड इंग्लिश. एक एक सब्जेक्ट को बहुत डीपली हम समझेंगे कि किस में क्या चीज़ ऐड हुई है और क्या चीज़ डिलीट हुई है. कम लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर जर्नी. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं मैथ्स की. तो मैथ्स में अब आपके टोटल चैप्टर्स 15 होंगे. अर्लियर देयर वर ओनली 12 चैप्टर्स. अब यहाँ क्या हुआ है, आपके कुछ न्यू चैप्टर्स ऐड हुए हैं एंड कुछ ओल्ड चैप्टर्स ही रिटेन किए हैं with some of the small changes in it. तो बात करते हैं पहले बहुत important chapter की, that is polynomials. It is divided into 2 chapters. Along with that, arithmetic progression, areas related to circle and pair of linear equation in 2 variables. ये जो 3 chapters आपके grade 10 में थे, अब ये grade 9 में introduce हो गए हैं. एंड एक चैप्टर ग्रेड 11 का ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशन भी आपके सिलेबस में आ गया है. मूविंग फर्दर विल टॉक अबाउट द मैथ्स असेसमेंट. तो आपका मैथ्स असेसमेंट इस बार 2 टाइप्स में होगा. फर्स्ट इज प्रोफिशिएंसी लेवल विच इज मैंडेटरी, कंपल्सरी है हर बच्चे को ये लेवल क्लियर करना. And the second one is advanced level which will have the choice. और दोनों के questions आपको आपकी new NCERT में मिल जाएंगे. Now we come to sciences. Sciences will have 4 parts. There are total 11 chapters. Earlier there were 12 chapters. अब वो 4 parts कौन कौन से होंगे? It will be biology, chemistry, physics and newly introduced earth science. And the entire learning of science will be based on applications of the concepts. Now we move ahead and we talk about the different streams. तो सबसे पहले हम आते हैं physics पर. There are 4 chapters. Earlier we were having 5 chapters in physics. तो कौन सा chapter delete हुआ है? That is gravitation. And apart from that, simple machines and their mechanical advantage add हुआ है, जिसमें आपके पास pulley होगा, inclined plane होगा and lever is there. Along with that, new topics, work, energy and simple machines are added in your curriculum. Now talking about chemistry. तो chemistry की in depth देखते हैं. हमारे पास 3 chapters हैं. Earlier there were 4 chapters. तो कौन सा chapter आपका delete हुआ है? That is matter in our surroundings. And the chapters and topics added include exploring mixtures and their separations, structure of atoms and molecules. Now coming to the next one, that is your biology. Biology will have 4 chapters now. Earlier there were 3 chapters. So improvement in food resources, this is 1 chapter which is deleted. अब देखते हैं कि क्या क्या add हुआ है biology में. It includes reproduction, diversity and a topic of cell which includes cancer. Then it includes recent advancement in cell biology. It has tissues जिसमें हम study करेंगे elementary idea of musculoskeletal system, its care, injuries, postal care, nutrition and the exercises required to take care of it. Now moving ahead is the time to go to social sciences. तो social sciences में हमारे पास अब 16 chapters हैं. Earlier there were 20 chapters and the added chapter, the first chapter is introduction. Along with that, history has 4 chapters, political science has 4 chapters, geography has another 4 chapters, and economics also has 4 chapters. Again, the entire learning of your social science is based on the application of the concepts. अब हम जाते हैं history की तरफ. तो history में जो word history था, that has been completely deleted and the focus is on early human history, Harappan culture and Bhakti tradition. These 2 topics are taken from grade 12th history. Coming to geography now. Geography is going to focus on Indian physical geography, and the new chapters which are added in geography includes ocean relief, biomes distribution, plate technologies, interior and composition of earth. These topics are taken from grade 11th. And when you talk about economics, economics is completely focused on the practical application and practical knowledge of finance, and the chapter added include budget, income tax and investment options. Further we talk about English. तो English में तो आप समझो सब कुछ चेंज हो गया आपके लिटरेचर को लेकर. Yes, a new book named Kaveri is coming very soon for you in the market, and it is the replacement of old book, that is Beehive and Movements. जब आप बात करते हैं राइटिंग स्किल्स की और ग्रामर की, they are almost integrated and same. So now I know you are very excited to see your new books which are coming from CBSE. My all best wishes to all the students. I'll be coming back with new updates for you, and please do not forget to share with your loving friends.